Good day. In this video, we will discuss checking out and checking in an Endevor element using Topaz Connect and Topaz Workbench. Initially, we'll want to open the Topaz Connect perspective by navigating to Window, Open Perspective, Others, selecting Topaz Connect and clicking OK. Once in the Topaz Connect perspective, we'll want to click on the Topaz Connect menu item and select Endevor Elements. When populating the Endevor element filter information, you can set any or all of the fields by using the pull-down list, or you can partially qualify any of the fields using the wildcard character, the asterisk. After the Endevor element filter information is populated, click Finish to populate the Endevor element browse view. We will be checking out the PDA-007 source by right-clicking on the PDA-007 source entry in the Endevor element browse view. There are several different ways to check out this source. We can utilize Quick Edit, we can utilize Element Checkout for Browse, or Element Checkout for Update. We will use Element Checkout for Update, so let's select this option from the pop-up menu. The PDA-007 source can be placed in your Eclipse workspace or in a pre-allocated data set. The pre-allocated data set name can be either fully qualified within quotes or partially qualified as a prefix to which the checkout process will append the Endevor type, which in this case is source. We'll enter the prefix for our checkout in the checkout file prefix field. We'll also want to add any additional information that's necessary for the checkout, such as change control ID or comment. Once our information has been entered, we will click Finish. The checkout is going to confirm that we want to check out module PDA-007 to a dataset with the prefix name of HUSDRN0.COBOL. Just remember that the checkout process will append the Endevor type .source as the low order qualifier on our dataset name prefix. So I am going to confirm that we indeed do want to do this checkout. The checkout will have an entry placed in the Endevor sources. Now let's go make our update by navigating to Host Explorer, dataset name HUSDRN0.COBOL.source. And right now I don't see that PDA-007 member in that source library. So what I'd like to do is right-click, do a refresh to pull in our recently checked out PDA-007 source. I'm going to now open that member to enter our update by double-clicking on the member name. I have not configured our copybook concatenation for this particular data set, so this does not impact our checkout or check-in process, so I am just going to cancel out of creating or configuring our copybook concatenation. I will be making an update to a comment line within our program. You notice that there is nothing denoted up here other than the module name. So I'm going to go in and update it. And as soon as I updated it, it placed an asterisk next to the module name. This is to denote that an update has been made. I'm now going to close that element and save my modifications. Now let's jump back into the Topaz Connect perspective, and let's right-click on the PDA 007 element in the Endevor sources and select Element Check-in from the pop-up menu. For the check-in options, enter any of the necessary information that's needed for the check-in process. Once this information is filled in, we can click on Finish. Again, check-in is going to validate that we do want to check in this member from this particular file, so I'm going to confirm that. By looking at the Topaz Connect log, we can see that our check-in of our PDA 007 element has succeeded. Additionally, over in the Endevor element browse, our level and version prior to our most recent update was 0147. I'm going to refresh that as our version should have been updated with our most recent check-in. And as you can see, it was upgraded to level 01 version 48. This concludes our video on checking in and checking out Endevor elements. Thank you.